Hi, I'm Joe Kelly from the Cat Country Morning Show. Welcome to the Cat Country Joke of the Morning. We're about to go live in a second. While we're waiting, do me a favor and click on this box over there and subscribe to us on YouTube. When you subscribe to us on YouTube, I really don't know what happens, where you go, when you come back. I don't know. All right, here we go. Today's Cat Country Joke of the Morning. We're going live on Cat Country 107.3 and catcountry1073.com. Cat Country 107.3, that's Chris Young and Lonely Eyes. Good morning, 6:37 with Joe. It's time for your Cat Country Joke of the Morning, brought to you this morning by PalaCasino.com. PalaCasino.com. Use the promo word Cat Country when you register. They'll give you an extra $25 casino bonus when you make your first deposit. PalaCasino.com. All right, this morning's joke is in from Kathy, who lives in Callaway. Kathy, thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, from Kathy, it's your Cat Country Joke of the Morning. As an airplane is about to crash, all right, maybe not one of the funniest jokes at the onset. As the airplane is about to crash, a female passenger jumps up frantically and yells, "If I'm going to die, I want to die feeling like a woman." She removes all of her clothing and says, "Is there someone on this plane who's mad enough to make me feel like a woman?" A man in front of her stands up, removes his shirt, and says, "Here, iron this."